Firerock Connector from Firerock. To my right goes to the campground. To my left ends up down at the lakefront, crossed by Cougar Ridge. Straight on is Firerock Connector, which connects to Old Baldy. I will like to apologize in advance for riding the trail in this direction for you guys. It's not that interesting. There will be a lot of huffing and puffing, but it will give you an extended period of time to check out the pretty interesting switchbacks that were built on this trail to help reduce erosion potential. Here we are into the switchbacks. Some wood in there even to try to make it more sustainable, stick around longer. Definitely not high speed going up, and really kind of high risk for high speeds going down. So take your time, enjoy the craftsmanship, don't get hurt, and take a rest once you get to the top, where you come into the trail to Old Baldy to the left, or Horseshoe Canyon Trail to the right and left ahead.